Your life is one day away from changing. Not 1 year, not 1 month, 1 day. But 99% of people will ignore this because they're waiting to feel ready, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. The problem: you think your life is boring because nothing is happening, but the truth is, you're repeating the same inputs, same phone, same habits, same thoughts, different day, same identity, so of course nothing changes. The truth: you don't need motivation. Motivation is temporary. It fades. It lies. What you need is interruption. A complete break from your current pattern. That's what a 24-hour reset is. Not self-improvement, self-disruption.
The reset method. Step 1. Cut the noise. For 24 hours, no social media, no scrolling, and no useless content. Because every time your brain are consumed, you reinforce who you currently are. Step 2. Change your environment. Clean your room. Organize your space. Sounds basic and good, because your environment controls your actions more than your thoughts ever will. Step 3. Do one uncomfortable thing. Not 10 things, not a full routine. Just one thing you've been avoiding, because action doesn't follow identity. It creates it. And the last step. Step 4. Redefine yourself. At the end of the day, decide who you are now, not who you want to be, who you are. Because identity isn't found, it's chosen. The shift. Most people try to change slowly, but real change feels uncomfortable, sudden, even wrong. That's how you know it's working. And the last part of this video: you don't need more time. You don't need more advice. You need a break from who you've been. So take 1 day. Disconnect, reset, act. Because in 24 hours, you won't become perfect, but you will become different. And that's where everything begins.